Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you know who visited your Instagram profile, you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you how can we set up a little trap for those stalkers. So if that's what you're looking for, follow up with me till the very end to make sure you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. First, of course, we're going to be using the Instagram app, so let's get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, you can quit Instagram, quit Play Store and open Instagram now. Let's start by going to your profile by tapping here in the bottom right corner, and then let's head out to settings by tapping these three lines in the top right corner, and then we tap on settings and privacy right there. Now from here we scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on account type and tools. Now tap on switch to professional account in the top right here, and then tap on continue in the bottom. You basically need to switch to a professional account on Instagram just like that. And now from here what you need to do is to tap on your profile picture right here to add a story. So pick the picture that you want to add. I'm going to be using this one. And this is the trap for this video, guys. Long tap on close friends in the bottom right here and make sure you have only the person that you are suspecting that they are stalking or visiting your profile. Make sure he is or they are the only ones selected here, and then tap on done in the bottom right here, and after that tap on close friends in the bottom to post this story to close friends just like that, guys. Now wait for the story to be posted, and then now you can go back to your profile. So tap in the bottom right corner on your profile picture. Now tap on new right here to create a new highlight. Once you tap there, you'll find all of your stories that you have ever posted. Tap on the story that you have just posted a second ago. Tap on next in the top right corner. Go ahead and set up the highlight for this story, and then tap on done in the top right corner. Now from here we need to wait for this person to basically open your profile, and usually people, once they open your profile or anybody visits your profile, they will most likely end up opening your stories, and they will end up opening this highlight right here. Once they do, you can open it and swipe up, and you find them right here with the statistics, and you find out who is visiting your profile on Instagram with this easy little trap. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.